The INNIOASIS Y1 clearly wants to be the modern iPod classic. It has the click wheel, compact design, offline music, Bluetooth, and USB-C for around $60. That sounds pretty tempting, but don't expect an iPod. The biggest complaints are the software and audio quality. So here on Reddit, users have reported lag, crashes, poor library management, and problems with Bluetooth devices. Some owners also describe the sound as noticeably flatter and less detailed than the actual iPod. The build is another compromise. It looks the part, but it's mostly plastic and doesn't have the same premium feel or durability as Apple's old players. That said, the Y1 does have one thing going for it. It gets you away from your phone. No notifications, no social media, just your music. And at its price, that's genuinely appealing. The Y1 is a cheap iPod style music player, not an iPod replacement. So you buy it for nostalgia and distraction free listening, not for Apple level build quality.